I got this USB powered soldering iron for about, like $5-6. I didn't really expect very much out of it, it being so cheap and everything. I actually got it for another project that I was going to do using Arduino and a microcontroller and temperature sensor and a little knob to make my own soldering iron using this, and I still might do that. And another alternative is I might actually try using this soldering iron. It looks like it has, like pretty close to the same PCB in it, and it looks like I should be able to, attach different cables to these two wires right here and still, heat up the heating element, which, will then make the soldering iron work. Alright, so, anyways, back to this soldering iron. So the whole reason why I was making this video was to actually do a kind of review on this, and actually it didn't even work for me, which isn't that bad considering that it was only like $5 or $6. I would demonstrate it for you, but I've actually lost the power cord for it. And again, I originally got it just pretty much to do the project where I'm going to be making my own soldering iron. So nothing really lost there.